Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce Nick Digiovanni easy method. Start by gathering ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, mustard, Worcestershire, smoked paprika, and cayenne if desired. Heat a saucepan over medium and whisk in all ingredients until smooth. Simmer gently for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until flavors meld and sauce thickens. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, or more vinegar for brightness. Cool slightly before serving or storing. Gather your ingredients and measure precisely to keep flavors consistent. Use 1 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar as your base. Add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire, and 2 tsp smoked paprika for depth. If you like heat, include a pinch of cayenne. Whisk everything together before heating so the mixture cooks evenly and blends well during simmer. Heat the sauce gently and keep stirring to prevent scorching and to achieve a smooth texture. Simmer for about 15 minutes until it reduces slightly and flavors concentrate. Taste midway and tweak sweetness, acidity, or heat by adding brown sugar, vinegar, or cayenne as needed. Remember that cooling will thicken the sauce more, so stop when it's a touch thinner than your desired final consistency. Let it rest before using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.